Hi guys, kamusta? In English, how are you? This is Dance Sandil from SDC 3D. So today, I'm gonna review the Geeetech E180 wireless 3D printer that was launched in Kickstarter last September 18. So it's one of the best affordable wireless 3D printer in the market today, 2017. So here is the E180 and then the box. So now you can see, let's start reviewing it. So as you can see, the box here has a holder, so you can use the printer, or you can transfer the printer anywhere you want by putting it inside. So they're selling it for kids and then for the beginner and for the office use. So this E180 3D printer is an FDM technology, or fused deposition modeling technology. So the build volume is 13 cm by 13 cm by 13 cm. Printing precision is 0.05 millimeters. So printing speed 80 to 110 millimeters per second. Filament diameter is 1.75 millimeter. Nozzle diameter is 0.4 millimeters. It's filament supported display. Operating system is Windows, Android, iOS. Control software is EasyPrint 3D, and file format STL G code. Box extruder temp 230 Celsius. Power supply is DC 12 volts or 6 amperes. Connectivity is Wi-Fi, USB, and TF card. So display screen is 3.2 inches full color touchscreen. So chassis metal plate plus injection molding, and then aluminum alloy plate. So what's inside the box is the tools, the screw, the Allen screw, the other unscrew, and then the push tool when there's a clog, and then the card reader. They provided a micro SD card for this printer, and then the nozzle, proprietary nozzle or hot end of this printer, and then the filament holder. So also, especially the E180 3D printer, I'll just get the adapter to or the power supply. Also, the power supply is provided by the Geeetech, so I'll just get it, and then the USB card. Provided USB cable given by included in the package. So, a 3-point, I don't know what's this, 12 volt jack for the power supply. To see if this is working or not. So just turn this on here. E180. So this is their one of the, I'm the luckiest one who got this 3D printer. It is one of the 30 produced first 30 product produced by Geeetech in the production. So again, so as you can see what's inside the box, you see. So I'll give you some tips on who is Geeetech. So Geeetech, it was founded based on their website. It was founded 2011. It's an innovative, technology-oriented enterprise that is specialized in the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of 3D printer and its spare parts. Geeetech has been one of the most prominent rising stars in the area of 3D printing in Shenzhen, China, and even the world. So again, this is from their website. So they're also collaborating with Shenzhen University. So why would you choose Geeetech? So Geeetech, so I've been using Geeetech for almost 2 years now. So I bought their printers from Prusa Aluminum, from Prusa Pro C, the dual extruder, and then the Prusa M201, which is also a dual Bowden extruder with one nozzle, and then and you can color mix or color blend. And then their Prusa Aluminum, and then their Prusa Pro A. So I have those printers way back in 2015 until now. So the M201 can print this size since 2015. It can print dual colors. So I think Geeetech is one of the most advanced, or one of the most advanced electronics or interface in the market today, because since 2015 they have this dual printing technology. So also this traffic cone. So I'll just show it to you on how Geeetech was on how I use Geeetech since 2015, for you to know what are their capabilities. So again, this is not an advertisement for them or a marketing. I just review this for you guys, for those who are beginners in 3D printing, for kids, for those who want to use 3D printer. So they're selling this for beginners, for schools, for STEM, science, technology, and engineering and math students. So, and also they want to make a name or make their own product also, for them to be well known. So what's next is the printing. So again, this Prusa, this E180 is wireless. It can be controlled by by Android app, Easy 3D Print Android app, and iOS. So this is still a prototype, but it's working. So again, I'll show you some glitches in this first production that I bought from them. So this E180 is the small brother of their Giant Arm D200 that was launched a few months ago. The Giant 200 has 180 by 180 by 300 millimeters build platform. So which is much bigger compared to this. So it has heat bed. This one has no heat bed because this E180 is for PLA only, for non-toxic, for kids use, for beginners, for those who want to explore about 3D printing, for those who are starting in 3D printing. So again, the big brother of this, the Joint 3200, has a filament detector, 4.3 touchscreen, and can print different filaments like PETG, wood, ABS. So again, this E180 can print PLA and has a temperature of around, and has a nozzle temperature that can reach up to 230 Celsius. So I'm reviewing this, guys, because as an industrial designer, I want to share my experience on how this product is used, or how this product is best used by a normal person. Because as an industrial designer, I want to help you guys to use a product in a user friendly experience. So that's why I'm reviewing this 3D printer. So what's next is, so in the specifications, I just clarify this, so that this 3D printer has 13 cm by 13 cm by 13 cm specification, or the build volume here, but I tested it, and in Easy3D Print software using Windows, so it can maximum is around 12 by 12 by 12 cm, but in Easy3D Print software, when you reach 13 by 13 by 13 cm model, it will not be maximized, or it will not be seen in that software, but you need to scale it up to 12 cm or 12.5 cm maximum, 12.5 cm by 12.5 cm by 12.5 cm maximum. So again, that's the reality. So the features also, high precision is 0.05 millimeters. So this owl is printed in 0.05 millimeter precision printing. So, and I'll show you some pictures here. I'll project some pictures here or above, below. So this owl is printed around 8 hours. It has 7 cm by 3.5 by 4 cm dimensions. So 3.2 full color touchscreen. So touchscreen 3.2 color touchscreen. So this touchscreen, you can select here. There are 3 tabs: the settings, the printing, the control. So there it is, guys. So it's working. 3.2 full color touchscreen. So Wi-Fi connectivity is also working, but for now it's hard to, but in reality it's hard to connect, because probably this is still a prototype, or in a minor or major update they can probably fix this. But I tried to connect it using my Galaxy Note 3. So it was connected, I control it, I do something, I move the steppers, but I haven't tried to print. So Easy3D Print app, yes, it's working. You can have your account and then share your model, share your pictures of your 3D prints. So cloud gallery is good. So break, resume, or power off. So I tried it post, then pull off the plug, or post, then pull off the plug, then plug it again, then resume, and then I'll try to remove the jack, like I'm imitating the power outage, and then it's still working. Or I tried to resume, still work. So that it works. So PLA, yes, it's working. So next is the about the competitors. So it has competitors like the one launched like Kodama, Obsidian last July, I think 2017 it was launched. It was same as this, almost the same specs, almost the same spec as this, $249 with heated bed. So again, this guys is selling for around $199 dollars. The Kodama Obsidian, it is the same spec as this, was sold $249. And then the another famous brand which is Geeetech, which is maker bought Replicator Mini Plus, which costs around $1,299. So, and then the Ultimaker 2 Go, which is selling at around $1,199. So I'll flash the competitor spec sheets on the video here. So next is, so again, the 3D printing samples is here. So this is the printed in 0.05 millimeters in 8 hours. It was printed. So this one is the capability of the E180 0.0 was printed in 0.3 millimeters. Overlapping colors, the white, the skin color, the black, and the skin again. Then this one printed in this one printed in EasyPrint 3D in 0.05 millimeters, and then on the right is 0.05 millimeters using slicer simplified 3D, and then this one is printed in also using slicer, printed in 0.3 millimeters using EasyPrint 3D app, and then this one EasyPrint 3D app slicer using 3 millimeter. It was in 3 millimeter layer height. So again, the pros and cons of buying this is, so the pros and cons of buying this 3D printer is, pros is affordable compared to MakerBot Mini Plus and Plus Ultimaker 2 Go, which is around times 4. You can save up to times 4 because of the cost of this is around $199 only. And then the Kodama Obsidian is just a start-up company compared to this Geeetech. It was established 2011. and with the same price, heat bed. So this is affordable. So you also have they also have in the package the hot end, additional or spare hot end. They're proprietary. This is their design. They have the electronic connectors here. So also I've talked to their the one who's doing this or the marketing of this. They say that they have the first plan for this is they have filament detector. I don't know what happened, but I'm sure they will find a way to print this or to do that. Also, if they have more orders or pledge, probably they can issue a heat bed. I hope they also put the film detector there. So the design is elegant, small, good for office and schools because of their footprint. So you can just get it using one hand. So it's very safe for the kids using two hands. It's very light. You can put it anywhere. So the quality, so it prints good. It prints around 0.05 millimeter accuracy. So it's very detailed. So as this owl look like, so reliable. So it's reliable because when there's a power outage, it's when there's a when you want to go outside your home or you want to do something, then just press pause and then you can go anywhere or just unplug it. So wireless control, so using Android OS and then iOS smartphone, you can control it using EasyPrint, Easy 3D Print app. Okay, so it's one of the benefits of buying this or pre-ordering this. So lightweight, it's around 9 kilos. They've said it's 9 kilos, so it's easy to carry and transfer anywhere using this package or this box. You can easily transfer this, or you can use this. You can bring this one hand. So lightweight. So yeah, that's lightweight. So EasyPrint app also has a community-based. It's a community-based app. You can share models, you can share pictures, you can chat there. So using that, it's a good community. Also, they have great customer service, and then the forums. They have they have forums or website forums, so you can check the firmware updates, then the other technical issues that you can fix. So cons, so it needs firmware update for the iOS and Android. Wireless connectivity, because sometimes it's very hard to connect. It takes me around 5 to 10 tries to connect with this app using in this 3D printer, and sometimes it disconnects, but I know it can be fixed. So filament holder is not fixed. So here you can see when the holder is or the filament is here. When the filament is here and it's entangled, it will scratch into your printer accidentally. So what I recommend is what I'm doing right now is designing a filament holder that I can attach so that it's it's as one with this 3D printer. You can put it anywhere. You can just disassemble, remove it, and put it here, and then pull the printer anywhere you want. Then the X-axis cover protection is covering the view, this one. So this one is covering, so when this goes down, for example, when you try to put it, when you try to get anywhere, so we need to, for example, remove this. So that's the problem here. So it's covering your 3D prints. So what's next? Also, there's some issues here when I receive this. Here it's scratching the cover here, but now I fix it using the spiral tube. I just put it here so it's not scratching here. Also here I just put inside the cable protector and then put some glue gun so that it will not be a hindrance here. It's scratching at this sharp moving plastic here, so it scratches and it produce particles of that, and then ruin your prints, or it will make some black dust here. So that's one that I fixed. So interface, the filament feeder and the reverse icon are not easily noticeable for the new users, but I think for the firmware update they can possibly put some feeder. The feeder icon there is the pink with arrow downwards feeder, and then upward it's using it's a blue icon with nozzle or hot end. Going up, it's a reverse. So first I was confused, but being a adventurous in this kind of technology, I'm used to that, so I'm experimenting. So connectivity, it's hard to set up, but it can be fixed by the firmware update, or update in this for this printer, and then update for this for the app for the smartphone. So again, other cons is it can only be controlled by EasyPrint 3D software. I haven't used it. I haven't used the Repetier software, but I think it can be controlled by updating this printer from the EasyPrint 3D app. You can update this, and then probably can be controlled by the Repetier, because most of the 3D printers of Geeetech are controlled by Repetier. So they have just launched the EasyPrint 3D app last December 2016. So again, the auto bed level is still manual. So you can go to level, and then it will go to, for example, it will go to that point. So for example, it will go to that point. So we go to auto bed level. So as you can see, it will just go there. But you need to check, you need to put the e-paper at the bottom or at the nozzle, and then between the bed and then the build plate and the hot end. So, and then manually adjust these screws. See, you can just manually adjust the screws to level it. So it's not auto level, or we just put you somewhere in the 5 points, and then you still do manual leveling. And then the NASA hot end are proprietary, are their own, so you need to buy from them compared to I don't know what's the price of this, but probably it can cost around, not sure. So here is also the nozzle and probably the hot end inside. So again, the cons also is no heat bed. So the only filament that we can use here is PLA, because again it's marketed for the beginners or those who are starting to use for those who are starting 3D printing. So what else? Okay, so my final verdict here, or final say here in this 3D printer. So it's an affordable, good design and function as advertised 3D printer. So, and I think it will function pretty well, because I've tried it, I've used it based on my experience in 2 years experience in 3D printing. So I think this will function very well for you guys, for those who are starting, and for those who are advanced users of 3D printer, for those who wants to use the portable, who wants to go anywhere and then control it via your phone, and then who are always on the go, who want to present their projects through their bosses or to their clients. So also it will also work pretty well as like MakerBot Replicator Mini Plus, and then Ultimaker to go with a fraction of the cost. The cost of Ultimaker to go again is 1,199, and then the MakerBot Replicator Mini Plus is 1,299. So this only costs around 199 pre-ordered. So you can start receiving this on December. So you can start pre-ordering this. You can have a discount. The original price of this is around $250, but you can get this for $199 without shipping cost. So hope more will pledge with this, so Geeetech will create more good products, good design products for us who are on a tight budget, who have only tight budget, or who want to use only for household projects, for RC, for other stuff, for the makers, for industrial designers, for engineers, for school students who wants robotics, for kids who wants to play toys. This is a good toy for them, or this is a good gift for Christmas, for yourself, for the students, for the school, for your husband, for your wife, or for anyone. So if you want a 3D printer with a 13 cm by 13 cm by 13 cm area that you can ask to print your 3D model in PLA while you're outside your home, or you want to control it wirelessly like remote control car, also if you're a designer, an engineer who wants to control or do some stuff wirelessly, or if you have some ideas pop up, you have pop up when ideas pop up in your head and then you want to 3D print it then wirelessly, then this is the 3D printer for you guys. So again, this is not a paid advertisement, this is not a marketing ad, this is just my whole experience that I bought from my whole experience using this E180 3D printer from Geeetech. So I have a good experience with this, I have good playing with this, so I hope you guys also will love continue buying Geeetech because their products is good. They have an electronic store that you can buy or upgrade your 3D printers. So they just don't have they have a lot of 3D printers. So from Repetier i3 with dual extruder, with color combination, color blending, through triple color combination, and then many others. So you can buy other products from them. So again, if you like my videos, or if you like my reviews or comment with this product, so just like it and subscribe for my future reviews. So next for my next 3D printing review is the One-How Duplicator 7. It's an SLA 3D printer. It's a resin DLP 3D printer that I bought a few weeks ago, but just received last week. But I started reviewing this, or I started reviewing this because this must be a great printer for you guys, for the kids, and for others. So the One-How SLA 3D printer is my next project to review. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll give you some tips and tricks regarding on using this for my future videos, and then also for the One-How 3D printer, that the SLA 3D printer that cost only $399. $399 SLA 3D printer compared to the $2,000 SLA from Formlabs. That's a very large, very cheap 3D printer, the One-How Duplicator 7 that you can play with, or you can use in your jewelry design for high details casting, like in figurines or any others, or for your prototyping. So well, that's it guys. So see you again for my next review, and mabuhay ang 3D printing. In English, long live 3D printing. So again, this is Dance from SDC 3D. So bye bye.